Hi everyone, it's Christina. I'm just going to give you a quick demo on how to press the PU leather picture frames or photo frames. They do have a plastic insert here that doesn't come out, and I find that if you don't follow this method, you're going to end up with like ink transferring onto the plastic or the plastic getting hazy from the heat. So what I'm going to show you is going to eliminate that completely. Okay, so what I do is I take a piece of my butcher paper and I cut this to the right width of the photo window. And what I do is I'm just going to tape that together first. I'm going to take a piece of tape, fold it over so I can stick it to the plastic and it won't move. So this fits in there just perfect and it protects the plastic completely. So I've got it's folded 4 times and that gives lots of protection. Okay, so this is the design we're going to print today, and I'm just going to I've got my design set up so that they have like a generous bleed area. So they're pretty easy to line up. Just make sure that you're straight on the bottom and the top and you have even amounts of design showing on the sides. Okay, that looks good. And then we're just going to tape this right to the transfer. But first I forgot to do this. We just have to open this and pop it off, like so. Okay. I'm probably over taping this, but it's just what I do. Okay, so that's all taped down. I'm just going to hold it so it doesn't move at all. Flip it over and we're going to put it on the press. Now I press this with I have a Nomex pad that I use, but our pressing pillows that we have in our shop also work really well. But what you need is a pad that's going to have some give, because you want even pressure, and you have these little plastic tabs on the back that will affect the pressure if you don't have something soft under it for it to sink into. Okay, so for this, what I do, I put that down and I'll put my roll of paper on top. So just hold that up, and I'm doing this at quite heavy pressure because I want those tabs to sink into the pad. We're pressing at 185 Celsius for 60 seconds. These designs that I'm pressing are all going to be in our Etsy shop. I think they'll make an awesome gift for Mother's Day or Father's Day, pretty much any occasion. Everybody likes photo frames, so hopefully this helps. We do have a lot of the frames in stock as well. Okay, there's our 5 second. You'll want to use a heat glove to remove this from the press because they are quite warm. Okay, put that off. Okay, I can let that fall down. Okay, first I'm just gonna pull this off so I don't get any ghosting when I move it. This is a gorgeous design. The best journey takes you home. And pull this out. You'll see you get no ghosting on the frame, and you also get no haze on the plastic from it being heated. And this is how it looks. Okay. And that's the photo frame. I hope you'll find this helpful, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.